what I'm doing now is I've taken the bristle board. So here's the bristle board that we use. That one there is 2 for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And what I've done is gone ahead and cut them into strips. So long strips. And what I did was cut it the long way and just in half, and then just keep cutting it in half and in half. And then what you get is these strips here. And these, what I did was I'm just laying it out before I glue them, the stripes. So we want our popcorn holder to actually go kind of in an angle here. That's what they look like here. I'll show you. So that's what kind of what we're trying to make it look like. But because we don't want to cut our display board, so these you can also pick up at the Dollar Tree as well. It's white on one side, and then on the other side is just the regular cardboard, and people use these for displays for their projects. I know a lot of kids, with my kids growing up over the years, this is what I've bought too. $1.25. I mean, you need 2 of them to make 1 popcorn holder, and I'll show you how to do that in a bit. But right now we just want to make the outside and do the strips of the popcorn holder. And I've just now put some glue on the back of a few of these strips, and I'm just gonna lay them, flip them over, and then just lay them out properly. Start with the first one, and see the top corner here, so we want to put it on a little bit of an angle, like that. And then we'll just lay the rest like that, and then just kind of cut off the excess of the ends. I've flipped it around to the other side, and on the back what I'm gonna do is just put some curves into it, probably about half of the size of this section of the cardboard, and then we'll follow that through. Just put the curve in, and then do the same again. And it's okay if you make a mistake at the back because it's on the inside, so people won't see it. Don't do it on the outside though. And then we'll do one here, and then another one here, another one here. So what we're gonna do after is just either cut it. We'll see how, or use an X-Acto knife safely. And on the very end here, sorry, and then we'll do another two, I would say. That's okay, because it's going to be on the inside, so it doesn't, and then you can even still fix it. It's really up to you. There. And what we're going to do now is just cut this out, so it makes it more look like the popcorn holder. And there, this is what it looks like after we've cut the top of the popcorn box. And it's starting to come along now, you can see. So we're gonna do 4 more like this, and then we're gonna assemble it, and then also just put the popcorn sign in the front there. Okay, so there is our ginormous popcorn box, made out of 2 display boards, 1 piece of bristle board, red bristle board that was cut into strips. And just for display purposes, I will probably hot glue gun them, but I just wanted to show you guys the sides. So nobody really sees the sides. It doesn't need to be perfect. There's the back there. And now what we'll do is blow up some yellow and white balloons and put some popcorn inside.